understanding why your website does or doesn't show up when people search for your business on Google. Or perhaps you've been told you need to work on your SEO, but nobody actually has shown you how to figure out what's working and what isn't. It's called Google Search Console, and it's basically Google's way of telling you exactly how your website is performing in search results. Let's get you set up so that you can start seeing this valuable data about your website's search performance. This is where you'll discover exactly how people are finding your website and where your biggest opportunities for improvement are hiding. A 404 error happens when someone tries to visit a page on your website that doesn't exist anymore. Let's make sure Google can actually find and index all of your important pages, because you can't rank for searches if Google doesn't even know your content exists. Indexing is Google's process of discovering, crawling, and storing your web pages so that they can appear in search results. If a page isn't indexed, it's invisible to Google search, which means it's invisible to potential customers. Let's talk about your sitemap. Basically, a roadmap that helps Google discover all your content more efficiently. And I know it might feel overwhelming trying to keep track of performance data, 404 errors, indexing issues, and sitemaps. Let me bring it all together with a clear action plan for using Google Search Console to grow your business.